What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the AGLD Adventure Gold token on Coinbase. So for the first step we will need to open Coinbase, and if you don't have an account yet, then you can sign up through the link in the description and you will receive 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. The next step is to log into your account, and after that we will go to the search bar right on top, and there we will type in AGLD and then you will find the Adventure Gold token. So select the token. After that you will open the token page, and as you can see you have a price chart over here. We can select different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past, and we have also some information about this project. If you click on read more, you will open this document, and there is a lot of information about this project and also a link to the official website. So definitely check that out. And after that we also have some stats about this coin, like the market cap, volume, circulating supply, all-time high, and the performance. Now we would like to buy this coin, so we will go to the trading options right on top. For this video we will select the buy option, and after that we can select the order type. We have a one-time order, so that is a single order for the current market price, but you can also select the recurring buy order, and that is when you set up automatic purchases during a daily, weekly or monthly based time frame. So for now we will go for the one-time order and select it, and now we need to fill in the amount of euros or dollars we would like to spend on this order. Let's say 1000 euros, and as you can see this is the amount of coins we will receive in return for that money. Now you need to select the payment method over here by just clicking on it, and you can select your preferred payment method in this list. But if the preferred payment method is not available in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, select the preferred payment method and you head over to the begin screen. So now we need to check the coin we have selected. Of course we have selected the coin right now because we searched for it, and after that we need to review our order. So click on review order. Now you will be redirected to the order review, and as you can see we are paying a transaction fee. This is a fee you are paying to Coinbase for every order or trade you make on Coinbase. But if you want to save yourself a lot of money, then you can save it with the Coinbase One subscription. This is a free trial of 7 days, and after those 7 days you are paying 25 euros a month. But as you can see, with a single order we are already saving up to 38 euros on this transaction. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while trading on Coinbase. So definitely try that out. And once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!